Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. My name is Abdul Mois. Today I am going to present my presentation of Solar Powered Community Health Center in Lahore, Pakistan. Without further ado, I move forward to my introduction slide. In this slide, this project aims to establish a solar powered community health center in Lahore. It will provide affordable, reliable, and eco-friendly health services. And this center will reduce energy cost and support sustainable development. This project will go through and all the things like tasks to scheduling, days, completion, and cost will be make on MS Project Management software. Without further ado, I move forward to my slide task. This slide shows the complete timeline of the solar-powered community health center with the total duration of 196 days from November 2025 to August 2026. This project starts with the initiation, planning, including the site acquisition, design and permit phase. This is allowed to be sustainable construction phase by covering the structural, mechanical, electrical and plumbing landscaping with the building completion by May 2026. In parallel, the renewable energy system installation phase includes the solar photovoltaic installation, backup system, and medical equipment setups. And the next is the ICT, information communication technology setup and staff recruitment, training, prepare for the operation. This project concludes with the final handover, elevation and closure, achieving full completion on August 2026. And this is the uh, another picture of the task. And I also discussed about all the thing in my previous slides. Now I am moving to my next slide about the Gantt chart. This Gantt chart shows the early planning and construction phase of the project from late 2025 to mid 2026. This project begins with the project manager and procurement officer, followed by the permits and licenses in December, the civil engineer and construction labor team, then led by the main building work, spurred by material supply. At the same time, the solar system installation start with the solar engineer and procurement of panel, inverter and batteries. And now I am moving to the next part of this Gantt chart. And this represents the final setup operational phase. This includes the procurement of medical, information communication setup, and followed by the HR activities uh, for this project. After this, the project manager, admin team, sustainability officer, quality assurance, education officer, and stakeholder coordinator become active. These roles focus on quality assurance, sustainability, staff readiness, community coordination, and project handover, leading to project completion in August. And the next slide about resources. This slide they represent the resource sheets which I make it on MS Project Management software, and this resource sheet lists all the labor materials and cost resources used in the project. It includes the key roles such as the project manager, engineers, labor crews, procurement, human resource, HR department, admin, quality assurance, and sustainability teams, each with the assigned hourly rates. The materials resources cover the construction, solar equipment, medical equipment and ICT equipment, while the permits and the license and contingency fund are included as cost resources, as you can see in the resource sheet as well. This setup ensures the accurate budgeting, cost control, and effective resource management. Overall, this setup ensures the proper cost control, resources planning, and financial accuracy throughout the project life cycle. And now I am moving forward to my next slide, the stakeholder analysis. The stakeholder analysis table outlines the key group involved in the project and elevates their position, influence, and communication needs. Uh, in the internal actors such as the project owner, management team, architect, and the construction team hold the direct involvement and moderate to high interest. The external group, including the investor, local communities, NGOs, regulators, and suppliers, shows the varied influence depending on their connection to project outcomes. Um, Now, the interest level differ across the stakeholders, shaping how often through which channels communication should occur. The personal meetings, phones, calls, written report, and digital tools are used according to each group needs. The structure helps maintain balanced engagement throughout the project lifecycle, and this slide shows all the things which I am gonna through the stakeholder, internal, external score, direct and indirect, and the highest interest and score rate from 5 to 0, and the communication and the score. Now I am moving forward to my next slide. Now I am covering life cycle analysis slide. In this slide, I am going to cover life cycle analysis of raw material extraction, manufacturing, construction, operation and maintenance, and of life recycling, and which includes the key activities, environmental focus, and expected outcomes. By comparing all these stages, the analysis shows where the environmental pressure is very highest, where the stronger sustainability measures can reduce waste cost and operational risks. Now I'm moving forward to my next slide. Now I am going to discuss about financial analysis. As you can see on the screen, the financial table shows the years and turnover, cost, profit, loss, net profit, payback and payback period, operating profit. And this financial table tracks turnover, cost, and profit over 5 years to estimate the project viability. Early year shows the losses due to high initial investment with the negative net profit years 2. Revenue began to exceed the cost by year 3, leading the first positive net profit and confirming payback in this period. By year 4, this project reaches a stronger financial position with higher turnover and sustained positive turnovers. The payback period of 3 years indicate the acceptable investment recovery time. The final operating profit reflects the accumulated gains once the initial is defect is covered. Suggesting the project become financially sustainable, as you can see in the slide. Now I am moving to my next slide. The supplier matrix. As you can see, the supplier matrix assessment compares the three supplier across four criteria: price, quality, efficiency, and sustainability. Each criteria is ranked as a first, second, or third, then converted into a numerical score. Supplier A perform strongest in price and quality but scores in lower sustainability. And the supplier B offers a better efficiency and strong sustainability features, giving it all an overall balanced profile. And the supplier C shows a weaker result in price and efficiency but improves in sustainability. The total scores help identify the most sustainable supplier based on project priorities, and this structured comparison ensures the supplier selection is transparent, evidence-based, and aligned with the long-term procurement goals. Now I'm moving forward to my next slide, the risk matrix. The risk matrix table is categorized project risk into environmental, financial, and technical, regulatory, and social dimension. Each risk is assigned as an owner, likelihood, rating, and impact score to calculate a total risk level. High impact issues such as a waste generation, construction delays, or regulatory non-compliance require close of monitoring because they can disrupt the project progress. A lower likelihood risks, including the minor design issues or reputational concern, still needs a structured responses to prevent the escalation. This framework helps to prioritize the mitigation actions, clarifies the accountability, and support the continuous risk review. By mapping risk early, the project can anticipate challenges and maintain stability across the technical, financial, and social areas. And now I am moving forward to my next slide. Uh, uh, this is the conclusion slide. In this conclusion slide, the Solar Powered Community Health Center project manages to cooperate with the principles of environmental, social, and financial by utilizing the power of sustainable resources, ethical suppliers, efficient processes, and active risk management. Good financial result, community involvement, and minimized the environmental impact prove that the sustainability-oriented project management contributes to a long-term resilience, working success, and meaningful social values. Thank you. Now I'm moving forward to my next slide. Thank you everyone. This is all from my side. Thank you for your attention and interest. Once again, thank you everyone.